I just can't seem to lock in. My name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to earning $30,000 a month, and obviously to achieve this goal, I can't afford to waste time. I'm sure this is a very common issue that almost everyone faces. The brain understood that time is a limited resource and we should spend it wisely, but the heart or our emotions gets in the way every single time. It just feels like I would log in for a week and then the next week just completely collapsed. Then a month later, the cycle keeps repeating. It's honestly incredibly frustrating. Every day I will feel more and more guilty because I'm wasting my precious time. Don't get me wrong, I have been trying to fix this issue by using many different methods. Pomodoro technique, Eisenhower matrix, I even created my own game called Ulti-Game and my own habit tracker called Ulti-Habit. Link is in the description if you're curious. All this does help to an extent, but it doesn't really solve it at a fundamental level. Because the worst part about this is I know the exact reasons why I am the way I am now and I'm running away from it. I'm doing all these other productivity hacks without targeting the actual root cause. And it's honestly quite simple. It's simply because I'm heavily overstimulated from all the social medias that I have been consuming, and all I have to do is just stop watching it. I genuinely have no idea how to do it other than sheer willpower to resist the temptation, but as you and I know, it's quite hard considering I'm against multi-billion-dollar companies which their sole purpose is to get my attention. That's honestly quite funny when you say it out loud because those companies pays more attention to us more than our actual parents. Anyways, these are the few things that I'm going to try starting from today. First, I need to get myself bored. I'm going to stop myself from watching entertainment videos, so no gaming YouTube videos, Instagram Reels and such. Also, I'm stopping myself from watching my favorite entertainment of all time, which is anime. People out there trying to quit smoking and they white powder, and I'm over here trying to stop myself from watching moving pixelated 2D characters. Anyways, I'm only allowed to watch what I consider useful video, which consists of videos that I actually will be able to learn something like productivity, life, business and others. There is one exception to this rule though. I'm allowed to watch entertainment videos excluding anime whenever I eat my favorite instant noodles for 20 minutes, which happens about once a week. The reason why I removed anime permanently from my life is because I'm extremely addicted to it, and don't quote me on this, but I heard that for smokers, you're a lot more likely to stop smoking if you just quit completely rather than gradually cutting down from it. So that's why I'm using the same approach to anime as well, absolutely zero starting from today. This is when I truly understood the meaning of less is more. I always thought that to be successful, you have to do more than others, basically being extremely busy. However, as I look at my own life, I notice that yes, I am extremely busy, but I'm not doing the right things at all. So this is a period in my life where I have to reduce all of the distractions that is pushing me away from the goal. Of course, it's going to be incredibly hard, but this is also the reason why I'm making this video. Because I noticed on my previous video where I said I was going to do YouTube until I succeed no matter how long it takes or how I feel. And ever since then, every time I feel demotivated or about to give up, I immediately remembered that specific video and it helped me push through the tough times. It's also the reason why I made this video in the first place. I was about to skip this week upload, but that specific video made me push myself. So I believe this video will help me keep my promises, and hopefully you can help me by keeping me accountable too. Second, I noticed that I always forget my goals for some reason. As in, yeah, I know I want to reach $30,000 a month, but I keep forgetting why that number specifically. Or even other goals like why am I pushing myself in the gym? I'm not sure what's going on, but it just doesn't stick in my brain even though I have read it so many times. And that's why the second improvement would be me reading my goals every single day to remind myself on my goals, but also more importantly on my why. Because as the quote goes, he who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. I don't know how to pronounce the guy's name, but I think it's called Friedrich Nietzsche. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrongly, please don't beat me up. Almost all of the things that causes our suffering is due to our own actions. Click here and find out the 3 daily mistakes that we all do that makes us sad. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.